Hi, I'm Michaela.
And I'm Leota.
And we're the Curly Cultivators.
We're excited to see our tough shed being built today, see the process from start to finish. We're two local gardeners from Sacramento, California. We have a good idea of what our tough shed might look like. The whole process has been so transparent with the paint samples, the tough sheds that are on the floor in the showroom. We're super excited for the Tough Shed Factory today. I feel like we get to see our shed actually come to life today, and that is so exciting.
We decided to go with Tough Shed because we know that if we buy it once, we buy it for life. I think the highlight for me was actually being able to see the first step, which is the hornet saw. Never heard of that before until today. But it's basically a specialized saw that allows for really precise cuts. So the amount of waste is limited by like 60%, which is pretty incredible.
And then we got to see the drop bin where the scraps go, and there was very minimal scraps, like almost next to nothing, but everything gets saved in case it could work for another project in the future. And so, I mean, the waste is super low, and we were impressed by that for sure. One of the things that we thought was really impressive about the factory was the truss station. We love seeing how our trusses were made, and it's a really neat process just thinking about the durability of the product, that not only is it staple, but then they go through with a piece of basically sheet metal that secures it, and we know it's going to last a lifetime. So that was pretty cool to see that process come to life. One of the things that actually really surprised me was that the paint is rolled the old-fashioned way by hand. That was super impressive to me because it minimizes VOCs or airborne VOCs, and so that was really exciting to see that that level of attention and care was given to the product.
I wouldn't say I'm surprised, but it was really cool to actually meet some of the staff members that work within the factory. Not only was it cool to meet with them and learn a bit of their stories by way of the work that they do here at Tough Shed, but it was also cool to see how many folks make this operation so successful. And the attention to detail that they have is unmatched.
Their certification program is really neat. We've met someone who has all 9 of the badges, which means that they've specialized in each section of the building process. That was really neat to see. And so just to think about everyone who's working here has some sort of specialization in their unique role within building the shed. And so you know you're getting a shed that's built by experts.
And for me, I think the coolest part has been to meet with Martin first.
Hello, welcome to Tough Shed.
Hi.
My name is Martin.
Think about how we want to configure our sheds and customize it to our needs in our yard. And then be able to see it on the packing station and know that tomorrow it's going to be delivered to our house.
Now that we've seen the building process, we're super excited to see our shed come to life in our own space.